Hi, good afternoon everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today I will be talking about a most important saying which you all have heard from your childhood days. What is that story, friends? What is that line? A pen is mightier than the sword. You have heard about it, right, from your childhood days. So what have you actually understood what is the meaning of this line? A pen is mightier than the sword. What is the meaning of this line, friends? The meaning is very much crystal clear, that a sword can cut a man into two pieces, but if you write it something with a pen, it can make your dream come real. Okay, something you will dream, something you will have a vision in your life that you want to achieve this thing in a specific period of time. But if you don't write it down in a piece of paper, or always try to keep diary in hand, always keep diary in handy. Okay, so whenever you want to write it down, whenever you will write it down, whatever going on in your mind on a piece of paper, your goal will be crystal clear. You will be knowing that, because a lot of things are going on in our mind which is not required as of now. Okay, so whatever necessary things are there, whatever unnecessary things are there, just separate it and write it down on a piece of paper, and try to omit out whatever things are not required as of now. Okay, just like you write, you want to have your own blog, you want to have your own website, you want to create something of your own. Lot of things are going on in our mind, just write it down. Okay, and just put a tick mark on that thing which is very much required for you as of now, and omit those things which is not required as of now. So if you do those things no with you, then you will be having a clear vision. Okay, these four things are only there which I need to focus upon, and I need to work on those four things only. I don't need to focus on other unnecessary things. Okay, so if you do these things, you will have a crystal clear vision, you will have a crystal clear goal, and you will work on only those things which is very much important for your life. Okay, so it's very much important. And second thing which I want to say you, what is the importance of this pen? How can you relate, how can you learn something from this pen? Okay, and how can you relate the life lesson of this pen with your own life? Okay, how can you correlate? That's a very much important thing. What you do with a pen, friends, you just open it and you keep on writing. Okay, so what is there in this pen? There is a refill. The refill is having certain amount of ink within that pen. Okay, so what we are doing, we are just writing on a piece of paper or in a diary, whatever you are having in hand. We just keep on writing, keep on writing, keep on writing. One day will come when all the ink present inside the refill will end up. That means an expiry date of that pen has come. After that, what will you do? You just either refill this pen, or you just replace the pen with a new pen. Okay, same thing happens with our life as well. Okay, what happens in our life, this our life is also like a pen. Okay, we are keep on writing, and our age keeps on decreasing, and we are coming near to our death. Okay, so we have to think what we are writing. Okay, we writing necessary things which can impact somebody's life, or we are writing unnecessary thing which is not required as of now? What we are writing, okay, what we are doing in our day-to-day life, it's correlating with what we are writing. Okay, just try to correlate. Whatever we are writing in our diary is similar to whatever we are doing in our day-to-day life. Okay, if we are wasting our time, if we are doing all unnecessary things which is not required as of now, that means you are wasting your pages of a diary. If you waste all your pages of a diary, then what will happen, friends? If you just waste your pages of a diary, then at the deathbed, when you will be at the age of, like, let's suppose 70, 75 years, when you are going to die, then when you will see your diary previously, 4 page, 5 page, 6 page, you will see that these all pages got faced. I need to just tear it out. How can I tear it? You can't tear, because time can't go back. You need to do something as of now, because if time goes back, and when you are at the age of 75 or 80, when you are going to die and you are on a deathbed, let's suppose, then when you just imagine what you did in your life, in your past, when you were at the age of 25, when you were at the age of 30, 35, when you just keep on reading your diary of your life, you will see that if those things I wouldn't have done, my life would have been much better now. Okay, you will think like that. No, so why you will not do it now? You are very much young. Okay, so you need to do something as of now, so that you don't feel guilt at the end of your life. Means when the end is near you, then you must not think those things, that I should have done those things, I should have done those things, but I didn't able to do. Something happened and I didn't took that action. That action was very much important, but I didn't took that. Why I didn't took that action? What stopped me from taking that action? I need to take that. Okay, and now my life is at state, and my life is at near to death, so now I can't do anything. If I would have done something better that time, then my life would have been much better way. You will think like that at that point of time when you are going to die. Okay, so we should not do those things. This crucial time we should not waste. We should just do side hustles. We need to think what all things we like, because all people are unique, friends. All people are unique. Everybody has some or other talents in their inside. Okay, we need to find it out. Whatever passion we are having in our within, whatever talents we are having in our within, we need to discover and explore those talents, and we need to work on it. Because you need to increase your skills. If you don't increase your skills, your earnings will not come. Okay, because earning is directly proportional to learning. If you don't learn, you will not earn. So focus on your learning, and your earning will grow proportionately, because learning is directly proportional to earning. So we just keep on in your mind that we need to focus on your goal, and we need to think what we are writing with this pen. Okay, imagine that this diary is your life. Okay, and this pen is what you are doing currently. So we need to take actions very cautiously, that if you write something bad, then at the end of your life, you will feel guilt. If I wouldn't have write those things at that point of time, my life would have been better. So don't feel guilt, and try to have a better life. Thank you.